Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we will discuss how an iconic painting is impacting the brains of its viewers. In an intriguing experiment, scientists have tried to analyze the brains of humans when they see one of the world's most famous paintings, Girl with the Pearl Earring, which has been painted by Johannes Vermeer. In the experiment, neuroscientists found that the brain experiences a special neurological phenomenon called sustained attentional loop when they see the painting. The neuroscientists were commissioned by the Mauritshuis Museum in The Hague, which has kept the 17th century masterpiece, to measure the brain output of the audience. In the observations, it was found that the eye of the viewer gets automatically drawn towards the eye of the girl, then to her mouth, and then moves on to the pearl and finally goes back to the eye. Research company Neuroscientists employee Martin de Munich said that because of this phenomenon, the observer looks at the painting for a longer duration in comparison to others. You have to pay attention whether you want to or not. You have to love her whether you want to or not, Munich said. Scientists, while measuring the brain waves, also found that the precuneus was getting stimulated the most. Precuneus is a part of the brain that manages a human's consciousness and personal identity. It was predictable that the girl was special, but the why was also a surprise to us, de Munich said. He added that this is the first study in which electroencephalogram and magnetic resonance imaging brain scanning machines have been used to measure a human's neurological response to artwork. The longer you look at somebody, the more beautiful or more attractive somebody becomes. Why are you familiar with this painting and not with the other paintings? Because of this special thing she has, he said. The scientists also checked the brain's neurological response when seeing the genuine painting and when observing its reproduction. It was discovered that the viewer's emotional reaction to the original painting was 10 times stronger than to its reproduction. Mauritshuis director Martin Gosselink said that this experiment showed how important it is for people to see the original painting. It's so important to engage with art, whether it's photography, dance, or old masters from the 17th century, said the director while speaking to acute flaccid paralysis in an interview. It is important, and it really helps to develop your brain. The brain doesn't lie, she said. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.